Most traders lose not because the market is against them, but because they are against themselves.
Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to my channel, The Market Monk. After a small break, I am back with something every trader need to hear today. This video isn't about charts, indicators, or setups. It's about the real reason traders fail. How you can make sure you don't become part of that 90%. So, today's question is why 90% of traders fail. The truth no one talks about. It is because they know everything about the market, charts, strategies, as you can see in my screen. But the main thing they lack is the self-awareness and the discipline. So one have to do and focus on that self-awareness and discipline before learning and enhancing their trading skill from knowing the charts, markets, data, strategies, everything. So one have to increase that first. Every beginner believes that knowing everything about the market or having some special strategy is power. They watch hundreds of videos, learn every pattern, every candlestick, every so-called strategy, but after a few months, after trying everything, they realize they are still losing money. क्योंकि नॉलेज का मतलब सिर्फ मार्केट डाटा या स्ट्रैटेजी समझना नहीं होता. एक रियल नॉलेज, रियल रिजल्ट तब आती है जब आप अपने इमोशंस, अपने रिएक्शंस को अपने कंट्रोल में लाते हो, उनको समझते हो, उनको सही दिशा दिखाते हो. एज यू कैन सी दैट हियर द still consistent, as you can see, relentlessly study effort, most traders constantly losing because not they are not knowing the charts, but because they are lack of the consistency, as consistency is the biggest key in this trading field. So one have to master that, the skill, the emotions, the reaction. If the market is not according to them, just wait, having patience, having calmness. So that will become the most powerful thing in trading. As by knowing everything is good, I don't say that nothing known, the basic things are not known and only the psychology is not the main thing. But the main thing is that as you know everything, but you also have the perspective of this also, the emotions, the patience, the calmness. As in trading is also been said also that 80% is your psychology, your emotions, your reactions. Why the most big traders, most big investors tell that, why they invest only, why they do so, as they don't want do trading day by day, intraday, because they know that more the time, the more the knowledge they get about the market, the more they lose. As the psychology plays the most perfect factor in this, as calmness, the patience pays to them. So this is the most important thing. There's also a quote for that: Mansa Vachana Karmana. In this, when your thoughts, words, and action align, the entire universe start working for you and helps you succeed in life. So मन से, वचन से और आप कर्म से अगर आप एक बन जाओ, तो पूरी यूनिवर्स की ताकत आपको उस फील्ड में, चाहे वो ट्रेडिंग हो, चाहे कोई और डिफरेंट स्किल हो, कोई और काम हो, उसमें आपको सक्सीड करने में मदद करती है. सो डू द थिंग एज बाय मनसा वचना कर्मना. सो जब आपको पता होता है व्हेन टू एंटर अ ट्रेड, व्हेन टू एग्जिट, और आपका स्टॉप लॉस और टारगेट क्लियरली डिफाइन होता है, देन यू डोंट नीड टू चेज द ट्रेड, यू जस्ट नीड टू वेट and let the market comes to your entry point, exit point, your TP. Don't do anything in between. As you can see in brain, during the trading you have to keep only two things: calmness and patience. Calmness during the trade, patience before entry. As you will don't enter any random place, as your stop loss will be not correct, your TP will be not correct. So all the things should be aligned in a perfect chain. If that chain is been one small, one big, then you will just get out. That trade may be lost. If your luck will be there, then it may be get profit, but not consistently that will be profit. So to master that, you have to master your mindset. The first mistake traders make is believing trading is a skill of charts. It's not. It's a skill of control over fear, greed, ego. In short, it's a fight against yourself. You have to fight with yourself. एक बिगिनर ट्रेडर और एक प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर के बीच सिर्फ एक चीज़ का फ़र्क होता है, माइंडसेट. अ बिगिनर चेजेस प्रॉफिट, बट अ प्रोफेशनल फॉलोज देयर प्रोसेस रूल्स एवरी सिंगल डे. कभी लॉस होता है, कभी प्रॉफिट, बट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ देयर P&L टर्न्स into profit. So one have to master that without chasing towards money, without keeping in mind that in this trade I have to get money only. You don't have to listen about your mind that only money will satisfy or I am be the best trader. As I am definitely say you that if you constantly following your strategy, your PNL, your setup or your risk reward ratio, and continuously you are making 4 5 losses continuously, but at the end of the week, in the seventh day, in the sixth day, if one or two profit you will make now, I will sure shot that it will be a PNL profit in that week. As because if you lose means if you lose 1 2% per trade means you lost 2%. Let's examine that you lost 2% per SL and you lost 4 continuous losses, it is 8%. If you make profit, it is 1 is to 3, then 2 1 is to 3 means 6% and 6%, it is 12%. How much your net profit? It is net to net uh, something around 4%. So your PNL is positive. Then why this? And I am definitely telling now, not that 2% loss continuously will happen. It may be happen, but it not happen in all the 4 weeks of the month. It may be happen in 1 2 weeks or randomly this month or not the next month, like that. So you have to focus that, not like that, because the market teaches you more about yourself than anything else. It shows you how do you react under pressure, and that's where transformation starts. So you have to understand that the greed, how to control your greed, fear, your ego. In short, you have to fight against yourself, as the market is a reflection of your internal state. When you bring chaos, impatience, emotional reactivity to your trading, the market returns those same qualities in the form of losses. Mastery of your inner internal world, external result will inevitable follow. As you can see that revenge, fear, greed, anxiety, FOMO, these are the reasons mainly consider during your loss. As you may as you are a beginner, you may not meet these losses, not meet these emotions, you can't identify these emotions, but I genuinely have experienced these emotions, and you will also experience in coming 2 3 months. You will also see that, oh my, this mistake is that, oh my, that mistake is that's why I got SL, that why I get SL. You, when you are starting identify those mistakes, you will be more and more capable of improving your trade. So trading is not a race, it's a professional routine. और रूटीन और डिसिप्लिन, कोई ओवर ट्रेडिंग अचीवमेंट नहीं होती है. जो सब कुछ ऑपोजिट चल रहा हो, जब सब कुछ अपोजिट चल रहा हो और आप मार्केट में आपको लग रहा है कि यार मेरे सेटअप के हिसाब से अब डाउन होना चाहिए, लेकिन वहाँ पर अप हो रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी आपको वेट करना है अपने लेवल का, वो पेशेंस लेवल, वो मेंटेलिटी अपना स्ट्रांग करना है, अपने आप को सेल्फ कंट्रोल करना है. वो एक दिन में नहीं आएगा. इट इज़ नॉट ओवरनाइट सक्सेस. यू हैव टू patience, you have to train your mindset, you have to, in a routine, in a proper routine, you have to control and make yourself more and more capable of doing so. So ट्रेडिंग को मैं मानता हूँ एक वरदान है. इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर दोज हु कॉन्कर देमसेल्फ. For those who don't, it becomes a curse that drains their wealth and confidence. As you can say that it's a curse that will genuinely, I am saying that it will drain your wealth and confidence, that you will not do in best in anything. As if you, I think the age of young, it is about 20 to 30 years. They, if they lack or they fail in anything, now their confidence also drains out. So you have to focus. You have to make discipline. Just follow this discipline, your setup, your strategy, your risk reward ratio for 1 to 3 weeks. 1 to 3 months. Sorry, 1 to 3 months, 6 months. Just follow that. I definitely tell you, you may not make profit, you may not cost to cost, but I will tell you genuinely that you will be changed from the day one to day 6 months later. You will be changed, and your perspective towards market, your trading style, all the things will be changed. So you have to look after that, you have to improve that. Trading isn't about becoming rich, it's about controlling and managing yourself mentally, emotionally, and strategically. Because when your mindset, your emotions are in control, your work and your profits naturally start flowing in your direction. हर एक ट्रेड, चाहे प्रॉफिट हो या लॉस, एक लेसन लेकर आता है. इट टीचेस यू समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ एवरी सिंगल टाइम, but only if you are humble enough to listen and understand that trade, what the trade is going to tell me, going to understand me. If this message connected with you, then remember, this is just the beginning. It's just a beginning. Now the market among is totally different because I practiced this thing. I told you now, day one and day 6 months later will be changed, and that changed my mindset also. So the main thing you lack is self-awareness and your absence of discipline and persistent towards your trading strategy, towards your trading setup. Just follow that, just follow that. I definitely tell you, you will be changed from this my words. I am telling you now. सो मैं हर सैटरडे संडे न्यू वीडियोस पोस्ट करूंगा टू हेल्प ट्रेडर्स नॉट जस्ट ट्रेड बेटर बट थिंक बेटर, बिकॉज द मार्केट डजेंट रिवॉर्ड नॉलेज, इट रिवॉर्ड्स मेच्योरिटी, पेशेंस एंड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडसेट. So subscribe to my channel, The Market Monk, and share this video with your friends and trading circle. This Market Monk signing off, reminding you, master your mind, the market will follow you. Thank you.